Good morning, everybody. I am making sous vide egg bites using Pampered Chef Deluxe multi-cooker, and it is ready for me to add my egg bites in. So I want to let you know before I do this what I've already done. So I set it to sous vide. I set the temperature to 172 and the time to 90 minutes, and this does not have a minute time, so I just did an hour and a half. So I didn't want that to be confusing in the directions since it's not by minutes, it's really by hours. And it has been preheating and it just beeped. That's why it says add, and right here it says cook. So for sous vide, it's not a pressure cooker setting, and so I like to use the glass lid for this. This is still hot. It's 172 degrees, so just be careful with that. Let me set that aside. And then I have my egg bites ready. Let me show you guys. So I've got my egg bite mixture all ready to go. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna just lift this up and place it down into the pot. Now, if you guys look, the water doesn't come up over the mold. So there's no water that's gonna get inside of the lid or under the lid of the egg bite mold. And then what you're gonna do is you just press here, and now it says cook, and the time is counting down from 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. And in 90 minutes, these will be ready. I can't wait to try these. All right, so my egg bites are ready to come out of my Deluxe multi-cooker. So we're gonna take off the glass lid. Let's see if these aren't too hot to handle. It's been sitting here for just a little bit. Let me lay this down here and let's take a peek. They look amazing, and I cannot wait to eat these. All right, before I flip them out, I'm just gonna take my cake tester and releasing tool just to kind of loosen these up a little bit, just to make sure that they don't stick. Whoops, I didn't go down far enough on that one. And then I'll flip these out and they'll be ready to eat.